Hi everyone, I am starting my session with organic chemistry. So, organic chemistry is alkyl halides and aryl halides. Alkyl halides, aryl halides we can also write as haloalkanes and haloarenes. Haloalkanes and haloarenes. So let us see what we are going to study in haloalkanes and haloarenes. First one is nomenclature, isomerism, methods of preparations, physical properties, chemical properties, uses. So these are the things we will study in the alkyl halides and aryl halides. Let us start with the nomenclature. So nomenclature. First of all, we are discussing here about the alkyl halides. Alkyl halides, halogens, seventh group elements. These are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Acetylene is the radioactive element. Chlorine and bromine gives the normal results, but fluorine, due to its high electronegative and small size, iodine, due to its highest size and less electronegativity, they will not give the required product in the normal conditions. Generally, we prefer the reactions with chlorine and bromine, and we prefer reactions with fluorine and iodine under special conditions. So, it is highly electronegative, it is less electronegative, top to bottom electronegativity decreases. So, what is meant by alkyl halide? CH4, it is a methane. One of the hydrogen is replaced with the fluorine, that is nothing but CH3F, or one of the hydrogen replaced with the chlorine, CH3Cl. This is called methyl fluoride. Also we can call it as fluoromethane. This is called fluoromethane, methyl chloride or chloromethane. So one hydrogen in the methane replaced with the halogen, they are called alkyl halides and aryl halides. Like compounds derived from hydrocarbons by the replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms by the halogens, known as alkyl halides. Here I have replaced with one fluorine. If you can replace two or more hydrogens, how many hydrogens are available here? Total 4 hydrogens are available. So all the hydrogens you can replace with the halogens are 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many number of halogens you are replacing, that represents on its classification. Means mono derivatives, di derivatives, tri, tetra, like that it will be depends upon that. So these are said to be alkyl halides. In aryl halides also, how many number of hydrogens you are replacing with the halogen are said to be aryl halides, like we can see. Okay, let us see halogen derivatives of alkanes and or haloalkanes. Halogen derivatives is nothing but this is also halogen derivative one. So all haloalkanes is nothing but hydrocarbons, one of the hydrogen is replaced with the halogens. So let us see its derivatives. See, here I am taking one of the reaction, that is the CH4. It is methane. One of the hydrogen I have removed and added one of the halogen. Then CH4 converted as CH3X. X is nothing but either fluorine, chlorine, bromine, or iodine. So CH4 plus X, CH3X. These are called, only one halogen is present in this. These are called mono halo derivatives. These are said to be mono halo derivatives. three more hydrogens are available in this. So one more hydrogen also I have replaced with the halogen. Then CH2X2, this is said to be dihalo derivative. Two more hydrogens are available over here. One of the hydrogen I have replaced with the one more halogen. So the product will be CHX3. So total 3 halogens are present in that. So those are said to be trihalo derivatives. One more hydrogen is available. That hydrogen is replaced with the halogen. Then I am getting CX4. Now all the hydrogens, CH4, now CX4, all the hydrogens are replaced with the fluorines. All the hydrogens are replaced with the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, whatever we can take. This is said to be CX4. So number of hydrogens are replaced with the halogens. That is called its derivatives. All the CH3X, CH2X2, CHX3 and CX4. This is called tetrahalomethane. This is called tetrahalomethane. So this is called alkyl halides and its derivatives. One of the hydrogen is replacing with the halogens and we are getting the different halogens like. Now, what is the classification of alkyl halides? Based from this, we are going to classify the alkyl halides. Just have a look on this. Now the next part is classification of alkyl halides. Classification of alkyl halides. So here this classification, just now before we get one of the hydrogen, means CH4 is replaced, one hydrogen is replaced with the halogen. This is said to be CH3X. These are said to be mono-halo derivatives. So this is the first type of classification, means having one halogen. So its general formula is nothing but RX. R is nothing but alkyl group. So this one can be CH3F, CH3Cl, CH3Br, CH3I. So this is not only CH3, you can take CH3, CH2Cl also, CH3, CH2F also. So all these are the only one halogen group will be present in that. These are said to be monohalogen derivatives, like these are said to be monohalogen derivatives. So alkyl halides are classified as primary, secondary and tertiary depending on whether the halogen attached to the how many number of carbons it will be. Here see fluorine, it is attached to only one carbon. So these are said to be just methyl fluoride, methyl chloride, methyl bromide, methyl iodide. This is ethyl chloride, ethyl fluoride, and just you look at here CH3, CH2Cl, the halogen attached carbon attached to one more carbon. So halogen attached carbon attached to one carbon, this is said to be primary alkyl halide. So here the halogen attached carbon not attached to any other carbon. So these are said to be just methyl halides. Come to this example. This is the ethyl chloride. The halogen attached carbon attached to one more carbon. So this is said to be primary alkyl halides, like. So these are said to be primary alkyl halides. This is also primary alkyl halide only. Fluorine attached carbon attached to only one carbon, so it is said to be primary alkyl halide. So what is meant by secondary alkyl halide and tertiary alkyl halide? Halogen attached carbon attached to two other carbons, that is said to be secondary alkyl halide. Halogen attached carbon attached to three carbons, that is said to be tertiary alkyl halide. Let us see the examples for the primary, secondary, tertiary alkyl halides. So here I am taking three examples, that is CH3, CH2Cl and CH3, CH3Cl. So how to distinguish the primary, secondary and tertiary? Here I will write even CH3Cl also. Halogen attached carbon attached to no other carbon, so it is said to be methyl chloride. Here halogen attached carbon attached to one carbon, so it is said to be primary. Here halogen attached carbon attached to two other carbons, so it is said to be secondary alkyl halide. Halogen attached carbon attached to three carbon, so it is said to be tertiary alkyl halides. Tertiary, secondary alkyl halides, primary alkyl halides. So here what are its common name and IUPAC name, that one we'll discuss in the nomenclature. Just now we are talking about the classification only, and also we can write two alkyl groups are two methyl, two carbon, so ethyl chloride it is. How can we give numbering 1 2 3 like so? This is secondary 1 2 3, so second carbon 2, so we'll write while writing the nomenclature IUPAC names and common names for this. So this is the classification, means only one halogen, monohalogen derivatives, these are said to be monohalogen derivative. Only one halogen will be attached to them. So come to the next one, dihalogen derivatives. Next one is dihalogen derivative. So here what is meant by dihalogen derivatives? Dihalogen derivatives having two halogens in the alkyl group, that is nothing but two halogens are replaced with the hydrogens present in the alkyl chain. So here two halogens, how they can be replaced? See here CH4 is there, two halogens are replaced, one hydrogen is replaced with the halogen, then it is said to be here CH3Cl, and next one more halogen also replaced, that is said to be CH2Cl2. So if you write these structures clearly, here chlorine we added, here also chlorine we added. If you replace two halogens with the two hydrogens, that is nothing but two hydrogens and two chlorines, same carbon having the two halogens on it, then this type of classification is said to be geminal dihalides. Again these dihalogen derivatives are classifying into two types. First one is the geminal dihalides, second one is the vicinal dihalides. What is geminal dihalide, what is vicinal dihalide? Let us see. This is called geminal dihalide because same carbon having the two halogens, these are said to be geminal dihalides. This one I am taking ethyl CH3, it is called ethane, one of the hydrogen on this carbon, is replaced with the halogen. One of the hydrogen on this carbon is replaced with the halogen. Now it is CH2 CH2 Cl Cl, means two different carbons having the halogens. The two different also adjacent carbons having the halogens. This is also come under dihalogen. This is also come under dihalogen. It is one compound having two halogens. One compound having two halogens. Both are come under dihalogen derivatives, but these two are different. Here same carbon having two halogens, here two different adjacent carbons having the halogen. So this is said to be geminal dihalides and this is said to be vicinal dihalides. This is said to be vicinal dihalides like. And third one also there, that is called terminal dihalides. Terminal dihalides is nothing but how long the carbon chain will, irrespective of that, the last carbons will having the halogens are said to be terminal carbons. That is the example. See, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Here 4 carbons I have taken. I'll write it clear. Now 4 carbons in this, it is 1 2 3 4 numbering I am giving. So first carbon having the hydrogen, this hydrogen is replacing with the halogen. Fourth carbon replacing with the halogen. So here this is said to be the terminal dihalogen. Here also two halogens are present, but here it is same carbon having geminal, adjacent carbons having vicinal, and last carbons having the halogens are called terminal dihalides. They are said to be terminal dihalides. Geminal dihalides, vicinal dihalides, and terminal dihalides. This is one classification, that is nothing but the classification based on the number of halogens attached to the carbons. First halogen, monohalogen derivatives. Monohalogen derivatives classified as the primary, secondary and tertiary. Dihalogen derivatives also classified into 3 types. First one geminal dihalides, second one vicinal dihalides, third one is terminal dihalides like. Okay, now come to the third one, that is trihalogen derivatives. Come to the third one, that is trihalogen derivatives. Even I rub this one, I'll get some space. Next one, trihalogen derivatives. See, what is trihalogen derivatives? One of the alkyl halide replaced with the 3 halogens. That is nothing but, this is what now we studied. So these are said to be trihalo derivatives. CHCX3, that is nothing but I am taking the example CHCl3. This is also known as chloroform. CHI3, iodoform. CHF3, fluoroform. CHBr3, bromoform. This is nothing but the same carbon having the 3 is said to be the trihalogen derivatives. These are said to be trihalogen derivatives. Trihalogen derivatives. Have a look on this.